In 2025, Pakistan raised its defense budget to 2,550 billion rupees, a nearly 20% increase from the previous year, driven by heightened tensions with India and the need to modernize across all branches of the armed forces. With funds directed toward aircraft upgrades, missile systems, drones, and naval expansion to maintain a credible deterrent posture in South Asia. The Pakistan Air Force has introduced the JF-17 Thunder Block III, the latest variant of its indigenous fighter jet program, equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar and advanced electronic warfare suites, and most importantly, capable of firing the PL-15 long-range air-to-air missile with a range of up to 200 to 300 kilometers, allowing pilots to engage enemy aircraft far beyond visual range. Meanwhile, Pakistan's fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons has undergone upgrades approved by the U.S. under President Trump, including avionics modernization, integration of AIM-12 OC-5 AMRAAM missiles with ranges of 105 to 120 kilometers, and improved precision-guided strike capabilities, ensuring the F-16 remains Pakistan's premier precision strike aircraft, complementing the JF-17 in both defensive and offensive roles. To protect its skies, Pakistan formally inducted the FD-2000 long-range surface-to-air missile system in 2025. Capable of intercepting aircraft and cruise missiles at ranges of up to 125 kilometers, providing long-range coverage for critical infrastructure, and working alongside the Li-80 medium-range SAM, which covers threats within 40 to 70 kilometers, creating a layered air defense shield that makes Pakistan's airspace far more resilient against modern aerial threats. Pakistan continues to refine its Shaheen ballistic missile series, with the Shaheen III capable of striking targets up to 2,750 kilometers away, ensuring coverage deep into adversary territory, while the Babur cruise missile has been expanded with both ground-launched and submarine-launched variants, offering a range of around 700 kilometers and terrain-hugging flight to evade radar detection, making it a stealthy option for both conventional and nuclear missions. The Rod air-launched cruise missile adds another layer of deterrence with a range of 350 kilometers, carried by Mirage and JF-17, aircraft designed for stealth penetration into contested airspace, and together, these missile systems provide Pakistan with both strategic reach and tactical flexibility. Unmanned aerial vehicles have become a centerpiece of Pakistan's modernization, with the indigenous Burraq UCAV upgraded for longer-range missions and precision strikes, effective for counter-terror operations and high-risk missions, while Pakistan has also acquired the Loong II from China, a heavy attack drone with an endurance of 20 hours, a payload capacity of 480 kilograms, and a strike range of around 1,000 kilometers. Additionally, Pakistan has introduced the Shahpar III UAV, a locally developed drone designed for advanced surveillance and reconnaissance, with improved endurance and payload compared to earlier Shahpar models, strengthening Pakistan's ability to monitor borders and conduct electronic warfare. And collaborations with Turkey have brought in Anka drones, which can fly for 24 hours and carry strike payloads of up to 200 kilograms. The Pakistan Navy has expanded its fleet with missile-equipped frigates and modern submarines, with the most significant upgrade being the deployment of the Babur submarine-launched cruise missile, providing Pakistan with a credible second strike capability at sea to ensure deterrence even if land-based systems are compromised, while maritime patrol aircraft and drones now extend surveillance across the Arabian Sea, securing vital trade routes and strengthening Pakistan's naval presence. Taken together, these upgrades represent a comprehensive modernization of Pakistan's military in 2025. The JF-17 Block III and upgraded F-16s dominate the skies. The FD-2000 and LYAT shield the airspace. The Shaheen, Babur, and Rod missiles extend deterrence, and drones like Burraq, Loong II, Shahpar III, and Anka provide persistence and precision. While at sea, missile-equipped frigates and submarines ensure maritime security and second strike capability.